Creating a comic book doesn't require drawing skills anymore. Using AI, you can generate stories, characters, and comic scenes automatically. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create AI comic books with consistent characters using HitPaw Edimakor. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate comic book ideas. First, open ChatGPT and paste the master prompt that you'll find in our Discord or Telegram channel. Once you send the prompt, ChatGPT will generate 5 unique comic book ideas. Each idea includes a title, a short story summary, and the number of scenes. Choose the story you like by replying with its number. ChatGPT will then generate 1 character image prompt for visual consistency and separate image prompts for each comic scene. This is the foundation of your AI comic book. Step 2. Open HitPaw Edimakor. Next, open HitPaw Edimakor and create a new project. If you haven't installed it yet, you can download it easily from the link in the description. HitPaw Edimakor makes the entire AI comic creation process fast and beginner-friendly. Step 3. Create reference character images. Now go to AI Image from the left menu. Click on Text to Image. Select the Nano Banana Pro model for best results. Paste the character image prompt you got from ChatGPT and click Generate. This image will be your main character reference, ensuring consistency throughout the comic. Step 4. Create comic scenes images. Once your character image is ready, use it as a reference image. Now, paste the first scene image prompt from ChatGPT. Set the resolution to 4K, choose 1:1 aspect ratio, and set the output quantity based on your needs. Click Generate. Repeat the same process for the remaining scene prompts. Within minutes, you'll have all comic book panels generated with the same character style. And that's it! You've just created a complete AI comic book with consistent characters using HitPaw Edimakor. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the master prompt. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.